If you find when you go to pull out the upper rack in your dishwasher that it's very difficult to pull out, or it's really rough and difficult to get in, there's a very good chance that the wheels for your upper rack may be worn out and need to be replaced. The first thing you got to do is open the door of your dishwasher. You're going to need to remove the end clips from the rails. You'll do that just by pushing the finger in on the clip and sliding it up off the rail. And there'll be one on the other side as well. Just slide the rail outwards, and again push the locking finger of the tab in, and then just push it upwards. And once it's up, then you can just pull the clip straight out. Set that to one side, and you can push your rails back in, and you can slide your rack right out of place. So now that we have the rack out of place, we can just set it down, and in order to remove our rails, we just bring our rail forward, and they have the same kind of keeper on the end that they did on the front. So we just need to release those end clips. Same idea, just push in the tab. Just slide the clip up, pull it back out of the rail, and then you can slide your rail right out. In order to remove our wheels, on this model they use a couple of screws that go through from the outside of the tub into the wheel assembly. On other models, these wheels will have a screw that goes in this direction through the tub and a nut on the outside. So whichever style you have, they'll have some sort of retaining screw, so you'll just remove that, and that will allow you to remove the wheel assembly. That's how easy it is to remove the wheels for your upper rack.